Hi friends, it's Tiffany from Tiffany Studio. I wanted to make a quick video today to talk a little bit about wine tumblers. As many of you know, if you've been watching me on social media, I have a new product and it's a wine tumbler. So these new wine tumblers are amazing. I feel like I say that about every product of mine, but I'm serious. If you guys know me, you know I love my wine. So that also means these are perfect for me. And most things that I like, you guys like. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this because I'm getting a lot of questions. Main question that I'm getting is personalization. So I just made this personalized wine tumbler for a customer and I wanted to show it to you. So this is my, here you go, the brownies one. So all our brownies needed was a baker. Now, for this one, my customer wanted to customize it. So she made her message on here. So she said, here we go brownies, here we go, woof woof. And then she said, happy birthday, Eric. I don't know if it's focusing or not. So it's super simple. That's the cool thing about these wine tumblers. Every single thing can be customized. You guys know that. I can customize any of my products for you. Now, these are super fun because actually I think I might just add this phrase to this design of the wine tumbler. So we'll have the brownies needed baker and then here we go brownies, here we go on this one. Because, well, let's be honest, it's adorable. So all it takes is shooting me an email, you know, on all kinds of different tumblers. I have my witch tumbler here. So this one says cheers witches because we're getting ready for Halloween. I love Halloween. You know I love the fall. I've already started posting a little fall things. Don't get mad at me because that's just what I want to do. So these are awesome. So they're insulated. Little details. So they are insulated. You can see they're silver on the inside, white on the outside. They come with your cute little lid. Nice lid. It's got a plastic little rim on the edge so you can have nice little seal. And it's got the hole in the top, so if you wanted to pop a straw in there, here, let me show you a little better. Pop a straw in there, totally manageable. I drink out of a straw because I don't know, I'm a child, or I don't want to mess up my lipstick or whatever. So I'm obsessed with these. These are fantastic. I can't get enough of them. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more designs of these and I can't wait to show them to you. So I'm going to stop rambling. I just wanted to pop on here and show you these super cute tumblers. Again, we can personalize them with any message or any cute little name. I put some names on them. These make a perfect gift. Start thinking about gifts, friend. It's time. I hate to say it. It's time. You know, if your kids have a teacher that likes to have cold beverages, or if a housewarming gift, someone just buys a house, gets a new job, there's all kinds of fun things we can do with this. We can put all kinds of messages. So just wanted to show you the wine tumblers. I think they're amazing. Feel free to reach out to me if you have an idea of a design or a message you want to put on them. As you guys all know, I'm putting all these on my website now. And there's a whole custom section. If you want just a purely custom one with a funny phrase from you and your friends, go to the custom section and hit me up. So that's it for today. Just want to do a quick little wine tumbler intro. Hope you're having a great day, friends. Bye.